If you like to that, that'll be good too. This is a quick snack, just cannellini beans from the can. Rinse them real good. Put your chili powder. That's 1 serving. Italian seasoning. A little bit of olive oil. And add some salt as much as you want. Mix it up real good. Mix it up. This is so delicious, quick and healthy. You can do this with black beans too. I'm going to put them in the microwave for 2 minutes, 15 seconds. And it will be good. Two minutes in the microwave. I like to cover with this so we don't have splatters everywhere. All right. This is good for a late night snack. This is healthy.
Yes, it is.
It is healthy, yeah. Delicious, delicious. You can add salsa if you like to that. That'll be good too.